Hemavati.
Hari Om Guruji.
Hari Om.
Guruji, when you say abhasa karma, then is it this inaction concept is included there?
Yeah, of course. Of course. Karmanya karma yah pashet akarmani cha karma yaha. Sa buddhiman manusheshu. So buddhiman, correct? So buddhiman is that means that so much action is going on and yet I am actionlessness. Only a buddhiman can say that. Yeah. Correct. You're correct.
So what actually the word meaning abhasa? When you say abhasa karma?
Abhasa means seeming.
Okay.
Seeming activity. To the eyes of everybody, a lot of action is happening.
Okay.
Even the person may say, I am doing this, I am doing that, I am busy now, call me later. The person also will say like that only. There is no reason not to say it. Because
I am not involved.
Yeah, because transaction with everybody.
Okay.
Transaction you can't stop. But I am not a transactor fundamentally.
Yeah, okay.
I don't gain anything from this transaction.
Okay.
What I gain is aparavidya rupaha. If at all, there is no gain. That is, I am not interested in that at all.
Okay.
Good. Hemavati ji.
Namaste Guruji. This moksha is also called apavarga. Apavarga is the word for moksha. Trivarga and apavarga. Somewhere I've heard that. Dharma artha kama is trivarga and moksha is called apavarga. I think somewhere in one of my classes.
It could be. I don't know. It's been so long. I heard the word, but now I'm not sure.
Okay. And also this anyaha vachaha is dvitiya bahuvachanam ilya. Anyaha vachaha munchata.
Correct.
You give up that.
Correct. It is the object of the verb vimunchata.
Okay. And this abhasa was what you were discussing yesterday also, I think. No, Mahesh ji asked abhasate, bhasate. Yesterday's class also he asked.
Yeah, you can say that. Abhasa.
Abhasate, bhasate, he was asking what is the difference.
Abhasa karma.
Okay.
So yeah, it could be. You look at the etymology. It could be.
Okay.
We could somehow extend that. So a karma that is appearing, that seems to be a seeming karma. Yeah. You might be able to. I have to look at the etymology. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, Mahesh, then Vaidya and Ramuji.
Namaste Ji. I think yesterday what I asked was that Bhati, Abhati. That was the reason.
Yeah, I know. Right. Yeah.
So, Jayamaji, in this last couple of slokas, he addresses like Hey Somya, right? In this chapter, like 2.2.3, I believe. Yeah, 2.2 Somya Vidhi, 2.2.3, 2.2.2. They are all singular. Why is suddenly went to plural here? Still is a dialogue one-to-one.
Right. So that means that you have to imagine a class.
Oh, I thought it was a one-to-one.
You thought, but how do you know your thought is correct or not?
Because everything here has been so far.
You thought.
So far has been one-to-one.
Context was not said. And then in this class, this fellow, Shaunaka, was asking the Guru. And then The teacher looks at everybody and says, look, such a good question. Let me teach you. And then he starts teaching. And everybody is listening. And so suddenly he addresses all, hey Shishyaha. That's how you should take it. That's how you should take it.
And one other thing, Jagamari, can you please explain once more that Prakashyam?
Prakashyam, yeah. Prakashyam. So Prakasha means illumination, brightness, whatever. Prakashya is that which is illuminated. That is called Prakashya. Prakashya. So generally, we don't name our boys as Prakashya, only Prakasha. Because Prakasha is the illuminator. Okay, I want you to be the illuminator, not the illuminated. I want to be like that. You are supposed to illuminate everybody else. That's what I want you to be. Not somebody has to show the torch on you and say, not like that. Flashlight. So, Prakashya, you understood. That which is illuminated is Prakashya. Illuminated by what? Tat. Tat here refers to the Veda, which illuminates, which tells us.
I thought it was Brahman, isn't it? No.
You can say Brahman also, but let's see here.
Because you've been talking Atma and all that.
Yeah.
That
okay, you can say Brahma Prakashyam also. That is fine. Brahma Prakashyam through the Karma Kanda. Okay. Mm-hmm. Through the Karma Kanda, Brahman is manifest as Karma.
Okay.
Correct. You can say that. Tat Prakashyam, Karma, etc. Yeah, that we know next.
Okay.
They don't say. Shankara doesn't say anything. Tat Prakashyam, he just leaves it like that.
Yeah, that was an explanation.
Yeah.
After the Vimunchata, the Parityajata, and then.
So, what's important here is this. There is a particular school of thought which says moksha comes from jnana karma samuchchayaha. This is a huge topic in Vedanta. Means थोड़ा कर्म करो थोड़ा ज्ञान करो दोनों करके आपको मोक्ष मिलेगा. That is the karma, the jnana karma samuchchaya. We are all doing karma. Coming to class is a karma. Then understanding also is happening. That is jnanam. Okay, I agree. Jnanam is there. Without karma, you can't get jnanam. Without coming to class, how can you get jnanam? Without opening the book, how you can get jnanam? Without thinking also is an action. How can you... like this, one school of thought is there. They will say, jnana karma samuchchayaha. Karma and jnanam go hand in hand. So, here Shankaracharya says this hand in hand business will not, nahi chalega. Let do karma. Whatever karma is there, you do. But jnanam is still independent of karma. You have to do, you have to come to class, you have to get your books, everything, you have to be there, you must have a pen in hand, you must write, all that is karma, agreed. But the person who is doing it is a karta while doing karma, but fundamentally the entity is a karta. And therefore, karma is not real karma. You think karma is real. You have given a lot of reality to karma. I am saying karma is mithya. I am saying you are satyam. Karma is mithya. Therefore, karma vimunchata. Give up everything.
Yeah,
so that
because the karma, like you, as you said about coming to the class or
not audible,
Maheji. And all that.
Maheji, not audible that well. Can you repeat it again?
I'm saying, just as you said, the karma we do to, like coming to the class or opening the books or whatever effort we put in, to learn, that is that by itself will not give you moksha unless you assimilate what you are learning.
True.
I think that is what the interpretation is, isn't it? Suppose I just come to the class, I won't get moksha. That may be. unless I understand the teaching.
So now if you extend the karma to Vaidika karma, coming to class and all, you let go. That's all. Laukika karma. What happened? This thing is okay. So that is Laukika karma, coming to class and driving and buying and all this. But suppose you say karma is Vaidika karma. Vaidika karma has to be done. Vaidika has to do karma. That karma you have to do. Plus you go to class and study. Both have to go hand in hand. And hand in hand until the last breath is hand in hand. Like that idea is there. So that
but that is also in the same Mundakopanishad early on. He talked about Agnihotram and all that. You should not leave all those things. Didn't we say that, right? In the same Mundakopanishad, in the previous chapter, he talked about that. Jnana doesn't mean you abandon all that.
So what we do is, but abandoning sannyasa is abandoning karma,
No, sannyasa is okay. But we are not talking about sannyasa here.
So therefore, he says, without karma, jnanam is not possible. That is the thesis there. That is the darshanam. And we say that it's not possible.
No, I thought the meaning in the chapter 1, previous chapter of Mundakopanishad was that in the pretext of going after jnanam, don't abandon your nitya karma or nainitya karma.
Nitya karma should not be abandoned. Correct.
Whatever you are ordained to do.
Nitya karma should not be abandoned.
Right. That's what it said.
But that is not the same as saying karma will produce jnana.
No, yeah, exactly. So that's what
Correct.
I'm saying. That is that goes separately.
Correct.
Because
Correct.
as one section of society is required to do that.
So karma must be done. Karma is done based on one's ashrama. So brahmacharya ashrama, karma is there. Vanaprastha ashrama, karma will be reduced. And sannyasa ashrama, no karma is there.
But even Anaprastha, this Nitya Nainitya will continue, right?
Yeah, karma will reduce. Some karmas you don't have.
I don't know which karma reduces because, other than some pursuit, yeah, maybe I can get it.
Karma will reduce in Vanaprastha ashrama. And sannyasa ashrama, there is no karma.
No.
But jnanam can take place anytime.
True.
A brahmachari also can get jnanam.
Sure.
Grastha also. Or grastha takes to sannyasa, and after taking sannyasa and studying only, the person gets jnanam. Anything is possible. So, the idea is karma can give you chitta shuddhi. You must do karma because you need chitta shuddhi. And that's all it can give you. And so that school of thought is there.
Plus, you need to put the effort to learn. That is
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
कर्म न तु वस्तुपि लभ्यते.
Good. Thank you, Mahesh. Anything else pending? Yeah. Good. Yeah, Vaidya ji, then Ramuji.
Yeah, so Jaikumar ji, so this word Abhasa came. So recently in India Today, the India Today website, the newspaper, the news magazine's website, there is an article by this guy named Abbas Malhadiyar. And he writes about, how how this Mughal rule, for example, is not, all that it's been cracked up to be. It was not a pleasant time for India and so on. So that guy's name is Abbas. So now I knew that his name is Abbas because the meaning I understood now.
Correct. Very, very interesting word. Yeah. They use the word Abhasa for it has some other meaning and all. Right. And but in the context of Vedanta, it's a meaningful word. It's a meaningful word. If Abhas understands what Abhasa is, he is a Mukta Purusha.
That's true. That's true.
Contrary to his Basu, one who reveals. Basu.
Yeah, Vasu. Okay.
What are
So-
you saying, Bas?
Basu, one who reveals.
Oh,
One who
Basu. That's the name of the word Basu. Okay. Yeah. And then one other thing. Last time we talked about this word pramada. Pramada means indifference, right?
Correct. Unlike
And-
what we say in, unlike what the meaning it has in Tamil. Yeah.
Right. Right. Yeah.
Pramadam they say in Tamil. Pramadam, oh, it's great, so good it is.
Right.
Pramadam is tragedy in Sanskrit.
That's true. The food is indifferent.
Indifferent also. So, Vaidya, all karyams are done, no?
Yes, yeah. All my father's.
Ramuji, go ahead.
That's all questions.
Yeah. Ramuji, go ahead.
You said the Vimunjada Parityajada.
Uh,
That is 1866. Sarvadharman Parityajya. Will be, you said another thing, you said that leisure is not available in karma. Vedanta is pushing us to the corner. Swami Ramatirtha says you will be forced at the bayonet's point. You will be forced at the bayonet's point to seek it. Bayonet means
bayonet's point. Okay.
to seek it. Means that what is that book? That famous books. He says in that one of the books.
Ramatirtha. Yeah.
Swami Ramatirtha.
Swami Tattvadananda ji mentions Ramatirtha often.
And another point is that you said about that. What is the use? You will be that. It's like Narada saying, "I am still unhappy." Another point you made, no? Like Narada, we says, "Shojami." Here and still in grief.
Yeah.
All the achievements.
Bhagavo aham shochami, he says. Shokasya param tarayatu iti. Please show me the way out of this sorrow. Yeah. There, tarati shokam atmavit.
Tarati shokam atmavit.
Shrutam hi eva bhagavad drishebhyaha. I've heard this thing that atmavit, one who knows atma,
Atmavit tarati shokam.
does not have any shoka. Like that I've heard, like that Narada is saying. Very interesting story, my God. Okay, thank you. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Dhanvantaraye Amrita Kalasha Hastaya Sarvamaya Vinashanaya Trailokyanathaye Shri Mahavishnave Namaha.